in that community.
Thank you very much for that. One last question on dental. You're still fighting the Shiner case. We spent, what, Canada spent over $110,000 fighting this young girl. The rejection rates have been 99 and 100%. This has gathered international media. Why?
Well, I'm very happy to have further conversations with you. It actually warrants a longer conversation, but I will, as you know, be happy to clarify that, in fact, access to orthodontics care is not a universal benefit in Canada, but the First Nations Inuit Health Branch actually approves more opportunities for orthodontic care for medically necessary cases than any other public benefit plan in the country. But we don't provide, for example, access to care for cosmetic cases. So I
think just in fairness, that's not a cosmetic case when we're talking about chronic pain.
So let me
and someone losing her teeth, and she's 13 years old.
Let me explain to you the circumstances of this case. Is that we have criteria, and I want to make sure that we clarify the point, and I would appreciate you not mischaracterizing what the costs that the department has incurred. There's nobody fighting anyone in court. The costs that the department have incurred was to confirm that due process was followed and that the policy was followed appropriately. That has been.
So you're saying you haven't spent $100,000 on legal costs?
There have been costs in the department, as in any when a public government establishes a benefit plan of any form.
I understand that, but $100,000 against a girl for a case that would cost $6,000.
This has
when
been
you have rejection rates of 99%.
Repeatedly addressed, and it has been affirmed that the policy benefit plan has been followed appropriately. Like all other aspects of the non-insured health benefit plan, this particular part of the policy and everything else are constantly something that we look at and determine whether there need to be policy changes. We're in an active process of that in our government, and we will look forward to further conversations about the policy.
And so they will be back in court in January, February, so we can assume there will be more costs to Canada?
As I said, this is something that I am following. We want to make sure that we have the right and responsible policies associated with the non-insured health benefits plan, but I can assure you that the policy was followed appropriately in this case, and that's been reaffirmed on repeated occasions.